So today's lesson is going to be very similar to yesterday's lesson. It's basically just extra practice on what we've been learning. So today it's just going to be different context. So yesterday we learned about markup. Today it's going to be sales tax and discount. So here it says a $40 hockey stick costs $41.60 after sales tax. What is the sales tax percentage? So again, it's asking us not the percent of the new price, but the percent of the sales tax specifically. So the CFS is going to be actually the same. Okay, so here we're going to go ahead and remember that the whole is always the original price, and here the original price is $40. And the new price, including the sales tax, is $41.60. Now, again, if the part represents the new price, that means the percent is going to represent the new price. And we need to remember that the question's asking us what is the sales tax percentage, not the new price percentage, which means that we're going to actually have to find that by subtracting. And so with our equation, we're going to rewrite it. And we already know that we're going to substitute, again, very similar from yesterday. So we're going to have $41.60 equals, and I'm just going to put 40 as my whole, and then X, because I don't know what the percentage, and we just switch around the order. So now we're going to divide. And a lot of you guys were making sure that, like, it's really important to divide correctly. Like, if this was 40, you divide by 40. If it had a decimal, you need to include the decimal. A lot of you guys forgot the decimals yesterday when you were sending in your work. So now I'm going to divide 41/60 by 40. So over here, I'm going to do 41.60 divided by 40. And what I'm going to get is 1 4/100. Okay, and as a percent, remember, same as yesterday, 1 4/100 times 100%. We move the decimal twice, so that's going to be 1, 2, and that gives me 104%. Okay, so this percent represents the new price, right? So here in my percentage, I'm going to put 104%. But we need to find the percent of the sales tax. So it's the same thing. We know that the whole is always at 100%. Okay, so if I want to find it, this is 100% plus blank equals 104%. And I know that 100% plus 4% equals 104%. And so lastly, just, you don't have to do this part, but if you want to find the difference, and this time it represents the sales tax, not the markup. So if you want to find the difference, we know that it's the new price percent minus the old price percent, which we already know is 100. And so it would just be 104% minus 100%, which is technically, like, we already found that the sales tax was 4%, not 104. 104 is the new price because it's the original price plus the price of the sales tax. And so the final answer would just be 4%. And that's it.